Today's word is pandiculate. Meaning, pandiculate. Verb, means to stretch and yawn, typically after waking up or being inactive for a long time. Pronunciation. Pandiculate is pronounced as pandiculate. Origin. The word pandiculate originates from the Latin word pandiculatus, which means to stretch oneself. It is derived from pandere, meaning to spread or to extend. Present tense. Pandiculate/pandiculates. Example, I often pandiculate after sitting for a long time. Past tense. Pandiculated. Example, he pandiculated as soon as he woke up this morning. Present continuous. Pandiculating. Example, she's pandiculating after her afternoon nap. Future tense. Will pandiculate. Example, after the meeting, I will definitely pandiculate. Usage in a sentence. After a long nap, the cat pandiculated before jumping off the couch. It's common to pandiculate after a good night's sleep. Pandiculation is a natural, instinctive action often associated with waking up or stretching after being inactive. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more contents. Bye.